Like yourself, dear General, I too serve the Ministry of Public Parks. That is to say, I serve you, who is indeed himself the Minister of Public Parks. I am the Assistant Chief Clerk in the Department of Trees and Bushes.
Ah, yes. Keep up the good work. Lovely trees and bushes this year. Very nice.
My wife would like very much to meet. Say hello, General. This is she, my wife, Madam Chertikov.
How do you do?
My pleasure.
My pleasure, General.
How do you do?
Madam Brasilov, my wife, Madam Chertikov.
How do you do, Madame Brasilov?
How do you do?
I just had the pleasure of meeting your husband.
And I am my wife's husband. How do you do, Madam Brasilov?
Shh. Sorry. I'm terribly sorry.
I hope you enjoy the play, sir.
I will if I can watch it.
Feeling quite pleased with himself for having made the most of this golden opportunity, Ivan Ilyich Chertikov sat back to enjoy the bearded countess. He was no longer a stranger to the Minister of Public Parks. They had become, if one wanted to be generous about the matter, familiar with each other. And then, quite suddenly, without any warning, like a bolt from a gray, thundering sky, Ivan Ilyich Chertikov reared his head back and...
Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, Your Excellency. I'm so terribly sorry.
Never mind. It's all right.
All right? It most certainly is not all right. It was unpardonable. It was monstrous of me.
You make too much of the matter, and let it rest.
How can I let it rest? It is inexcusable. Permit me to wipe your neck, Excellency. It's the least I can do.
Leave it be. It's all right, I say.
Tip with your arms, yeah. When he
Leave it be. It's all right, I say.
The line?
But I splattered you.
But I splattered you, sir. Your complete head is splattered. It was an accident, I assure you, but it's disgusting.
Shh. I'm sorry. My apologies.
The thing is, Excellency, it came completely without warning. It was out of my nose before I could stifle it. Shh. Yes, certainly, I'm sorry. It's not a cold, if that's what you are worrying about, sir. Probably a particle of dust in the nostril.
Shh.
But try as he might, Chertikov could not put the incident out of his mind. The sneeze, no more than an innocent anatomical accident, grew out of all proportions in his mind, until it resembled the angry roar of a cannon aimed squarely at the enemy camp. He played the incident back in his mind, slowing the procedure down so that he could view again in horror the infamous deed.